Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing the MelodySusie limited edition nail drill kit. It is a gorgeous, look how it's everywhere you move it, the gold just like shimmers. It is absolutely gorgeous. What a great gift idea. But we'll get into this. You know how we do. I hope you all are having an amazing day. I know this time of year can be really chaotic, but you know, let's all take a deep breath together and let's get our mugs or, you know, wine glasses, or, you know, whatever you're going to drink from. I have my coaster here, you know, again, CoffeeFluttersbtq. Go check her out on Etsy. She has a YouTube channel. These are so cute. And today I have my water, you guys. My water I am drinking. I had, you know, I recently moved, and listen, I'm trying to find all the like poppin' spots, okay? The spots that are like the spots, you know, I need a Chinese place, a pizza place, you know, all that stuff. Well, I tried a Chinese place and oh my gosh, it was horrible, horrible. So I'm paying the price. You know, when you have Chinese food, you like swell for the next like 2 to 3 days. Well, I'm going to be swelling for the next week, and I didn't even eat it all because it was horrible. And I'm just paying the price the next few days. So I am guzzling my water. So cheers to you guys, and get your sip in and sit back and let's unbox this MelodySusie limited edition nail drill kit. I was so excited to receive this. I was shocked to receive this. I actually, I normally have a nail drill that you plug in and it has a cord. And so to receive a cordless one was awesome. You guys, if you have someone who is new to, you know, doing nails, this is such a perfect gift. It's packaged already so perfectly. Everything came intact. I actually have a short unboxing this so you can see that everything was wrapped perfectly. The nail drill did not come like this, like as you can see, opened and everything. It had wrapping over it. It had, you know, the tape everywhere that you pull off, and it always sounds so good. So it came perfectly intact. Just an easy, beautiful gift to give. This is limited edition, but I think they're saying it's limited edition because it's Christmas themed. Now, if you're buying around, like, let's say Valentine's Day, they would have probably like Valentine's Day stickers. So this will always be available. I will leave the link, obviously, in the description for you to go check it out. They do have a variety of like upgrades. They have, you know, a kit that has a nail lamp, like a UV light. So there's so many options and choices you can choose. Again, I will leave everything in the description. It's pink. I mean, don't we all love a pink anything? But then you have like a pink drill that is like gold all around it. I mean, pink and gold, I mean, you cannot go wrong. It is gorgeous. Everything that it came with, they came with so many drill bits. I was shocked. Again, if you are a newbie starting out your nail journey, this is everything you need. I mean, it's perfect. The nail drills, the nail drill bits, they are all the perfectest ones. I mean, I use every single one and they're just amazing. So it's just all around a great little kit, and we will get into this. They have an RPM of 35,000, which I believe 30 is like the standard. So now they like upped it 5,000. Now I want to know, like, put your hands up if you even go to 30. I mean, 30 is pretty powerful. I have yet to be able to. I mean, I know I'm no professional, but the torque is there, people. 35,000 RPMs. So you have that option. Again, gold all the way around this whole entire thing. It's beautiful. It has the clip on the back. So if you're traveling, you don't have to, you know, have it in your hands or on your desk. You can clip it to yourself. It has the nail drill secured to the side. And this also a great feature. which my one I have now does it, but so I can attest that you do use it. If you don't have it on your current one, this might be one that you want next because it has a pause button. So the pause is awesome because, again, if you're in the middle of something and you're like, oh, I need to, stop to get a different color nail polish or something, or they change their mind with, whatever, you can pause it and then just unpause or play, and it goes right back to the speed that you wanted, picks it right back up. So it's perfect. Also, you can do reverse, forward and reverse. So again, if you're like left-handed or right-handed, it doesn't matter. Or if you're doing it on yourself, you are going to use that forward and reverse feature because you will have to obviously use your left and right hand. So I do want to quickly point out, because I feel like we all might at one point in time do this, but do not, when you first open this, don't use it when it is not fully charged. So fully charge it, it takes almost no time to charge. And then also don't ever use it when you are charging it. So there are two things I wanted to point out that I did read. Yes, you guys, I actually read some of the instructions, directions, whatever you want to call it. I did read some of it. So, but there are two things I wanted to point out. Also, when it's charged, done charging, take it off the charger. Don't leave it on there. That's for anything, your phone and your e-file, okay, people? To turn it from level 1 to 35 is super smooth, and I'm going to let you guys hear just how quiet this is. And yeah, let me just shut up. So I just wanted to show you guys how quiet it is, how it doesn't shake. Holding it, it was perfect. How quick when you transition it to forward to reverse, how long it takes, which is almost no time. And then pausing it to not pausing it, how quickly it all just changes over. Now I'm going to show you how well the drill works. I used hard gel here and I encapsulated, so I want to see how quickly it will take down the bulk and get to the encapsulation of the snowflakes and glitter. So I'm testing that out. Now obviously, again, this should be done on nails. I feel like you have better pressure, but I was not doing my nails at this current moment. So the swatch stick will do. I'm going to take this bit, and this is what I usually use to debulk things, or, something very similar. But yeah, I would use this to debulk. This always is, you should always have something in your e-file. So this naturally comes with it. And then you take that out. Again, you always want something in there. And then I will change over to this bit. So next I am taking builder gel. This is a soft gel, and I'm going to just shape it. It's so hard to kind of see. I shouldn't have used a glitter, but there are lumps and bumps all over this thing. So when I want to debulk, I usually use the same bit, and then I will go to like a smoother kind of bit. But it's also hard to see how quickly it took me to get to that snowflake. I want to say like maybe 2 minutes, if that. It was really quick. I put it on I think it was 18, and just went to town. It did great. There was no like catching on the nail. You do want to, if you do catch, you usually want to up the speed, but I had none of that. This really debulked so smoothly. It was really, I have no complaints thus far. I will definitely be using this in the future, and maybe I will do I have 3 e-files now, so maybe I will do like the pros and cons of each, which again, I haven't found a con yet, but I'm just trying this one out. The other thing I liked about this was they give those little I don't know, the purple things that you see. That is so dust doesn't get into your e-file. So that already comes with these drill bits. I know previous ones, they don't have those that I've had, and I've had to actually purchase them. So these actually come with it, which is really nice. And again, you leave those on, and that stops the dust particles from getting into your e-file, and, you know, ultimately stops it from working, or, you know, just can slow it down. So you always want to keep your stuff clean, people. So now I want to show you, again, one of my favorite little bits that they have in here is this one. It cleans off all of your drill bits. And I just love this one. I don't know if it's really what you're supposed to use it for. I would assume so. I mean, what else are you going to use this for, right? But look at how clean it gets your drill bits. Put it on and it just goes to town. I love doing this. Love it. So it brings all your drill bits back to its original state. So yeah. And now this last one I want to show you, the bigger ball bits. Now I have one that's actually a little bigger than this one, but what I do is I like to put oil on my cuticles. This is when, now I'm sure you've seen it all throughout this video, your dry skin. I have significant amounts of dry, cracked skin right now. But I put it on like the lowest. Here I have it on a 1 just to test it out and see. But I get my ball bit and I just go around my cuticles and it takes off all the nasty skin around my like nails. It's not really the cuticle because then, you know, you'll mess up your nails, but the skin, like you actually rub it on your skin and it gets all that dead, nasty skin off. I mean, I hate to even say this, but I'm just being real with y'all. Sometimes I'll have like a bunch of skin, like dead skin from doing this. Like a mound, like a pile of it. It's so gross, I know. But listen, afterwards, your skin is going to be so smooth and clean and it just feels so good. So you do that and then I wipe it with like alcohol wipe and then I lotion and oil up again. And I'm telling you, do your ball bit with this, the big one, not the small little one. Do that perfectly with your cuticles, but this one is a bigger one that they give you. And I love doing it around the skin area, or, you know, finger skin area. Now this at the end, I was ready to like close out my video and I'm like, wait, this has something sticky on the back. What am I supposed to do with this? I had no clue where to put it, where I'm supposed to put it. I wasn't putting it on my, you know, beautiful e-file. So that wasn't happening. I'm like, well, what the heck am I supposed to do with this? Like, I would use it. I'm going to use it. But I'm like, well, it's sticky. Like, you could stick it somewhere. So I'm not going to put it on my desk. Like, I probably would. But I share my desk, like, with my daughter. She does, like, virtual school. So anyway, I thought of putting it on this brush. So, you know, I can clean my, you know, cuticles, my hands, whatever. And then, like, you know, use that with this. It's like a double-sided brush. I don't know. But tell me what you guys would do with this. I'm not sure. But this is where I'm putting it, and this is where it's going to be. And yeah. But listen, you guys, go check out MelodySusie. This was an amazing package to open. It was so fun. I have a discount code. It is Jenna12 for 12% off your order, but I think they're running a sale right now, 50% off. So you can get this whole kit for $89. This awesome drill, all the accessories for $89. It's 50% off. So go check out all the links. I will have everything linked. Thank you to MelodySusie for sending me this. MelodySusie is a great brand. Everyone knows the name. Their drill bits, their drill bits and e-files are well known, well used, and just go and check them out. Like I said, there's also a variety of different level kits to get. So thank you so much for staying till the end. I appreciate you all. I hope you all are having a wonderful, wonderful week ahead. And remember, deep breaths. And I will see you on the next one. Okay? Bye, guys.